Hey guys, welcome to Next on Mining India. We are here at the Blockchain Live 2025 at Dubai, and again we have a friend Payne here. Thank you so much for joining us again.
Of course.
Elphapex is a company which they always have updates for us, and every time we see them, they have something new cooking. And even this time, I was surprised myself because I didn't know that there's a new miner launch, right? So, which we'll be showing you guys at the end. It's a new home miner, but let us quickly go through all the different miners they have in different categories like hydro, air cooled, and then home miners in which they even have a new miner. So Payne, tell me more about it, man.
Yes. Thanks, guys, for coming over again. I'm happy to do the content with you guys. Always a pleasure.
It is always.
So today we have a few surprises, I would say. Right, we have a few new products
It
here.
is a big surprise in a small factor,
In a
small size, but big surprise. I would
Yes,
say.
correct. But I want to give you guys like a full overview of everything we have here today. So the first thing you guys are seeing here is our Hydro One, right? So our Hydro unit. You can find the more details about the specs and everything on our website as well, elphapex.com. But this guy is at 20 gigahash, 6,200 watts power draw, and 0.31 joule per mega hash. Right, this is a 2U form factor, right? So it's compatible with most of the racking system for hydro you see right in the world. So I want to make sure it's very easy to plug in and play, right, with the same 2U form factor.
In my opinion, this hydro miner is mainly for people who want to have huge hash rate in a small size factor. They can put in a cabinet, like maybe 10 or 20 of these, and it's going to be so easy to run and maintain, I believe.
Yeah, it's I think it has a very special user case, right? So either for some of our users are in, let's say, like Norway, right, or some part of Northern Europe where they can actually resell the heat that's generated by the hydro unit, or let's say if you're in the Middle East, right, where it's super hot and you have enough water supply, right, to continuously cool down the miners, right? So I see there are some special use cases for it, but also, like you said, it's easier to run this guy at a higher, to overspec it, right?
And you can even overclock this to 24 gigahash, right?
That's right. You can overclock it. So those are some of the benefits that you can get from this guy.
I mean, this miner is made for the desert, So in India, definitely you can run it with ease. You're not going to have a lot of temperature issues. So if you are a person who wants a compact, huge hash rate miner, I think this is the one to go. Let's see the new air-cooled miner. If someone wants to run a single-phase air-cooled miner, what do you have in stock?
Why don't we come to over here?
If you look over there, that is the DG2 Plus, right?
This is DG2 Plus, right?
Wow.
So same form factor as DG1 Plus. Plug in and play. We'll make sure this is really easy, straightforward. You can see more spec over here as well. This guy is at 20.5 gigahash, 3,900 watts of power draw, and a groundbreaking 0.19 joule per megahash. And that's the first in the industry to break 0.2 joule per megahash efficiency.
This looks pretty solid, all the Elphapex miners are pretty solid, and all the miners which we have run and sold, these are the miners which has come with the lowest return rate or lowest error rates. These guys are built to, last, I would say. They give the hash rate they claim. So Payne, these are the miners which probably many people know about, but is there a miner here which not many people know about and is gonna disrupt the market? Specifically the home mining category.
Yes, absolutely. So this time we brought a new product to the event, and we're happy to show you. It's right here.
Yeah, this is the first look at this miner.
वीडियो को आगे बढ़ाएं उससे पहले a word to our sponsor ViaBTC. ViaBTC is one of the biggest mining pool in the world. सबसे मैक्सिमम रिवॉर्ड्स बेस्ट पूल्स में मिलते हैं. आई एम पर्सनली अ लॉन्ग टाइम यूज़र ऑफ ViaBTC. तो अगर आपके पास कोई भी माइनर हो, छोटा हो बड़ा हो, यू कैन रन इट ऑन ViaBTC एंड गेट मैक्सिमम रिवॉर्ड्स. अगर आपके पास कोई लाइट कॉइन डोज का माइनर है तो भी आप उसको चलाइए और वहाँ पे एक्स्ट्रा कॉइन्स लीजिए. और अगर आप ViaBTC पे नए हैं, अगर आपके वहाँ पे अकाउंट नहीं है तो आप हमारा लिंक यूज़ कर सकते हो, जो कि लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. उस लिंक से अगर आप एक अकाउंट बनाते हो तो आपको 20% डिस्काउंट मिल जाता है अपनी माइनिंग फ़ी पे. तो अब जैसा ही माइनर हो, ट्राई टू रन इट ऑन ViaBTC. चलो वीडियो को कंटिन्यू करते हैं.
First of all, thank you for bringing a different colored miner to the market.
Yes.
Tell us more about this.
So this guy is called DG2 Mini, right? So it's very similar to kind of how we have DG2 and DG2 Plus.
Yeah.
We're using very similar chips, but putting in a smaller miner, a smaller home miner, right? So this guy has, so I'm sure most of you guys already know we have the DG Home 1 that came out last year. It's one of the most popular products we have, right? Especially for...
I think DG Home 1 was the miner of the year for 2025-24.
Thank you, sir.
People love the miner. It was so easy to run. I'm running one myself, and
Good.
I never look at it.
Yeah.
I
Super
only see
easy,
the mining
super
pool.
straightforward.
Yeah.
So that's kind of the goal of having these home miners, right? So get more people into mining, right? If you've never tried mining before, this is the best opportunity for you to get into mining. Or if you are already a miner, this is also a really good piece to have at home as a conversation starter, right? So this guy, we offering a lot of improvements compared to Home 1. Right, this like 2.4 gigahash, 530 watts, and 0.22 joule per megahash. So that means better profitability, and it's also lighter, so it's a little bit easier to ship.
Yeah, it is more powerful than the DG Home 1. It consumes a little less power than the DG Home 1. It definitely consumes a lot less space than the DG Home 1. This is the miner which fulfills the whole concept of home mining. So if you're looking to start, or if you are just looking to have a conversation starter, or you want to run something and forget about it, I think DG Home 1 and now this DG2 Mini, these miners are going to disrupt the home mining industry. Is there anything else planned for this year or the next year, or any thing you want to put out?
Yeah, there's as you guys know, we're a R&D and manufacturing company, right? First and foremost. So we reinvest a lot into research, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna continue to come out with new products in 2026, which we're super excited about. But stay tuned. We're gonna be giving out more information later on.
Yes, I'm very sure next time we see Pain, we're gonna be reviewing more miners from Elphapex, and what an amazing lineup of all these Dogecoin miners. I think when people think of mining Dogecoin, they think for Elphapex, So such a name it has become in the Dogecoin mining industry. And I will be waiting to see you next time so we can review more miners and new products from Elphapex. Thank you so much, Pain.
Thank you, sir. Always a pleasure.
Thank you so much, everyone. We'll see you again in the next one. Take care, everyone. All the best.